Okay, with this question here, right, we've got a number of things going on, and the question asks for us to work out, so on the next page, calculate the size of angle X, calculate the size of angle Y. Okay, so let's have a look here. Angle X. Now, regular polygons, okay, we've got 4 of them here, so that one, and these 2 here, and of course this white space here then is not regular, because they say that the grey ones, aren't they, are regular. Okay, and that clearly doesn't look regular, that triangle, but this one's regular. And to work out the interior angle, one of them, remember, you count how many sides it's got. So for X there, and you just count how many sides. It's got 5 sides, isn't it? 5 sides, so 5 sides. Remember, then you just take away 2 to work out how many triangles. Okay, 3 triangles. So this can be split up into 3 triangles. So 3 lots of 180 then. 540 degrees, and then to get one of these angles, just remember now all of these add up to, the sum of them is 540, yes, you know, that's the sum of all interior. To get one of them, then you just got to think, right, well these add up to 540, so you just got to divide it by 5 to get X. Okay, so 540 divide by 5, and that comes to, let's just work that out in the bus stop method. 5 into 5 goes once, 5 into 4 doesn't go, so 0, carry 4, and 5 into 40 goes 8 times, so X will equal 108. Okay, and then this says to calculate angle Y, so let's just fill that in there. It's 108. Okay, this is 108 as well. I'm going to go here because this is kind of important to me, I think, because we've got angles here which surround this angle Y, which is probably quite important. Now, these are regular polygons as well, don't forget, right? So, and if you think about it, it's a triangle. Okay, so you could work out these angles here, couldn't you? Okay, triangle is 180 degrees, but they are going to be equal, aren't they? So divide the 180 into 3, you get 60 degrees. Okay, so each of these is 60 degrees. That's like an equilateral triangle. Okay, but we've got down here, I believe, as well, because it does say, isn't it, regular polygons. These are regular as well. Okay, so this is also 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees. Now I think this is quite key, because now that I know all these 3 here, I could work out this one, couldn't I? I could work out that there. That would be a full circle, wouldn't it? So what I could do now is add what I know there. Okay, so I could say, look, 108 plus 60 plus 60, okay, which is 228. And then of course full circle, so I could work out this angle here. So 360 take away 228 is 132. This is 132 here. Okay, and then we can actually get to angle Y, because if you think about this really carefully, this here is an isosceles triangle. Okay, now you've got to be convinced by it, so let me just prove it to you. It looks like it, doesn't it? But let's just understand why. Notice this here is a regular polygon, so all these sides are equal in length, aren't they? Yeah, they're all equal in length, so I've got a dash there. But notice that this side here, okay, sort of coincides with this side of the triangle. Okay, so we can also say now that this, isn't it, is the same, because it's an equilateral triangle. This side has got to be the same as this side, and this side is part of the pentagon, so we can keep going with our dashes, because that's there as well. Look at our equilateral triangle here, so that's going to be the same, and that's got to be the same. And then notice what we've got ourselves an isosceles triangle. So to get Y, you just take this 132 away from 180, which gives you 48 degrees. I say Y equals to it, it's not quite, isn't it? Let's do that first. And then of course 48 left, so you've got to split it into 2 then, haven't you? Okay, so share it out. So 48 then divide by 2 is 24 degrees. Job done.